What if I told you that every AI model you've used over the last 3 years, every prompt, every generated image, is already a relic? The world is obsessed with the age of AI, but that's just the distraction. By the end of 2026, the distinction between machine learning and quantum mastery won't just blur, it will vanish. If you aren't positioned for this convergence right now, you are becoming invisible to the new economy. For decades, the gatekeepers told us a comfortable lie, that quantum computing and artificial intelligence were two separate giants on two different timelines. But deep inside the labs of Zurich and Maryland, that narrative has shifted. The insiders know the truth. AI has hit the silicon ceiling. Current AI models are starving. They consume electricity like a dying sun, and data like an endless ocean, yet they are still shackled to 1940s binary logic. Quantum is the key to the door we didn't even know was locked. It doesn't search the haystack. It feels the entire stack at once, instantly pinpointing the needle because it exists in all places simultaneously. This isn't a maybe for the 2030s. It's the reality of 2026. A silent breakthrough has already occurred, buried under layers of corporate non-disclosure agreements. Engineers have successfully integrated quantum-ready kernels into neural networks. We aren't just building bigger brains, we are giving them a new dimension to think in. Training a model that used to take 3 months and $20 million now takes 40 seconds. The qubit is our master key. A standard bit is a door that is either open or shut. But a qubit, it's a door that is spinning so fast it is both open, shut, and every angle in between until the machine decides which state it needs. This allows AI to perform optimization at a scale that makes our current logistics, medicine, and weather prediction look like we're playing with wooden blocks. But if this is so revolutionary, why the secrecy? Why the whispered warnings in the corridors of the Pentagon and the halls of the NSA? Because the quantum AI convergence is a weapon of total transparency. The same intelligence that can solve stage 4 cancer in a weekend can also dismantle every encryption protocol currently protecting your bank account, your private messages, and national defense codes. In the underground labs, they call it Q-Day, the day encryption dies. Imagine an AI that doesn't just predict what you'll buy. It uses quantum probability to pre-calculate your choices. It knows you are going to quit your job or end a relationship before the thought even crosses your conscious mind. In 2026, privacy isn't just invaded, it's made obsolete. Luck is replaced by a calculated outcome. So we return to the ultimate question. Is quantum a competitor to AI or its greatest ally? The truth is more chilling than you think. Quantum is the exoskeleton for the AI mind. Without quantum, AI is a genius trapped in a slow, suffocating body. With it, AI becomes a singularity light, a force that evolves faster than human law can move, faster than human ethics can breathe. They aren't fighting for supremacy, they are merging into a single, inescapable entity. The quantum-first companies of 2026, the ones moving their data into post-quantum vaults today, will be the trillionaires of tomorrow. The revolution didn't start with a bang. It started with a whisper in a lab you've never heard of. As the silicon age sets and the quantum dawn rises, will you be the one holding the key, or will you be the lock that gets broken? If a machine can calculate your entire future in a billionth of a second, do you truly possess free will? Think about that the next time you type a prompt. Stay ahead of the curve. This is MindQFlow. What if every AI model you've used over the last 3 years is already obsolete? By 2026, the distinction between machine learning and quantum mastery will fade away. For decades, we viewed quantum computing and AI as separate entities. In labs across Zurich and Maryland, however, that narrative has shifted. AI has hit a wall, a silicon ceiling. Current AI models consume data like a starving sun, running on outdated logic, ones and zeros. That's current AI. Quantum computing, on the other hand, is the key to this locked door. It utilizes entanglement, allowing it to analyze countless data points simultaneously. It's not merely a faster computer. It represents a leap in logic that can evaluate all possible outcomes at once. This isn't just speculation, it's already happening. In early 2026, a silent breakthrough occurred, unnoticed in mainstream news. Engineers integrated quantum-ready kernels into neural networks. This is the quantum AI convergence. Training AI models now takes seconds instead of months. Imagine AI as a master chef, preparing meals before even gathering ingredients. The qubit is the master key. Standard bits are binary doors, while qubits exist in multiple states until observed. This innovation allows AI to optimize processes beyond our current capabilities, bringing us into a new era. But why is there secrecy surrounding this? The convergence poses significant risks. Quantum AI can solve cancer, but can also dismantle security protocols guarding personal identities and national secrets. Governments are apprehensive as they realize the first to master this technology won't just lead the market, they'll control the narrative. Imagine an AI that knows your thoughts before you do. This isn't prediction, it's pre-calculation. The revolution of 2026 is about diminishing privacy, where luck becomes obsolete, replaced by calculated outcomes. So, is quantum competition or collaboration with AI? It's more chilling than you think. Quantum acts as an exoskeleton for the AI mind. Without it, AI is underpowered and limited. They are not fighting for supremacy, they are merging. By 2026, this merger will create a singularity light, outpacing our regulatory capabilities. Today's quantum-first companies will be the trillionaires of tomorrow, while others will question their suddenly outdated tech. The revolution isn't emerging, it has already begun. Will you master quantum AI or merely be a data point? As the Silicon Age concludes and the quantum dawn rises, will you stand in the light or be lost in the chaos? If a machine can predict your entire future in mere moments, do you truly possess free will? Stay ahead of the curve. This is MindQFlow.